Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, new release from Ellen Villa. This is London, part of the Modix collection, and the color is Chocolate Mix 6 830 27. So I'm excited to show you this new style from Ellen Villa. I'm wearing my Ellen Villa Icone, and I think this color is champagne rooted. This is very similar, I understand, to London. Let's see if it is. All right, let's have a look at Ellen Villa London in Chocolate Mix. This wig was provided by Wig Studio One. Comes packaged like this. If you'll look in the drop-down box below, I will have a link where you can order this. And you can also, if you have any questions about this wig, be sure to get in touch with Wig Studio One at support@wigstudio1.com. You can also reach out to them on, you can chat with them live on the Wig Studio One website during normal business hours. Okay, this has an extended lace front and a mono top. It's closed ear tabs with stays. Now, this is partially hand tied, and I say that because you see this wefting in the back is covered. It has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. So this is a partially hand tied cap. I like the extended lace front there. And you know, on these hand-tied caps that are wefted, the stretch is in this top part right here, and there is stretch here, but there's not really any stretch where the wefting is. That provides the structure and support. So your stretch is going to be more in this area here. Now, I promised you brunettes this year, and I'm going to keep my promise. We are going to show more brunettes. I don't feel like they get enough love. So I want to make it my mission this year to do a lot of brunette wig reviews. Now, Chocolate Mix. So this is described as dark and medium brown, blended with light auburn and dark strawberry blonde. That is really pretty. I see that dark strawberry blonde running through there and a little bit of auburn. I think that is a nice color description for Chocolate Mix. Let's try it on. All right, let's try on London. All right, this is a perfect fit, really. Maybe a tad large. I could probably pull the adjusters in just a tad if I wanted, but really it's pretty perfect fit. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. Okay, yes, as you can see, this is very similar to what I had on. I am a fan of flippy end wigs. If you've watched me for any time at all, you know that I like these longer styles, these little shoulder length styles that have these flippy ends. And the reason I do, I feel like they are youthful. I feel like anyone can wear them. I think they have a lot of movement. They're very natural looking, in my opinion. I like that. But again, like I said, this fit me really well. Oh, this is really cute. I like this, but I like Icone, so I had a feeling I was going to like London, and I do. Yeah, these flippy ends are really cute. Nice silhouette here. This has a little bang. We'll talk about that. All right, I'm just feeling through. There's no permatease here. You know, it has this mono top. You have the option to part it anywhere within that mono top. And this is just a lovely style. Wow, I really like this. I think it's so pretty. It's also similar to Talent Mono 2. I do not have that wig, but I had Icone, so I wanted to make sure you saw that. So let's just talk about the specs. 5.5 on the front. The crown is 9.5. The sides are 7. Has a 6-inch nape, and it's 2.7 ounces. This is really nice. Let me show you. Let me zoom in and show you this lace front. All right, so the lace front is done really well. As you can see, Here is my bio hair. There, you can't even see it. I feel like this has some of the best coverage I've seen in a while on an Ellen Villa style. Really good coverage for me. Again, 21¼ inch head circumference. Extended lace all the way to here. Good job on this lace front. So just to talk about the comparison to Icone that I had on earlier, the front of Icone is 4 inches. This is 5½ on London. The crown is 9½ on Icone, same as on this one. The sides are 9 here on Icone, and the sides are 7. So the sides are a little shorter on London. The nape is 5 on Icone and 6 on London, so it's a little longer here. So, you know, there's only about a 2-inch difference in these two wigs. So they are truly sister styles. And Icone also, I will show you, has the same type cap, extended lace front, mono top, partially hand tied. So it basically has the same type of cap, and they are truly sister styles. All right, let's style this just real quickly. I would first put some wig wax on here. I love wig wax. You know, you see me use it in almost every video. I'm just going to create a little texture on this wig, and separate these fibers. Don't be shy. Get your hands into your wigs, pull them away from the cap. You're going to get movement, a much more natural movement if you pull that away. You can see just by doing that little bit, it added just a little texture to it, and you can just separate those fibers a little bit. Slip it on with a headband. So many people are into headbands these days. It has a nice density, easily tucked behind your ears. Let me show you that without a headband. You can easily wear this, and I will, behind my ears, just like that. It is so pretty. Yes, Ellen Villa hit a home run with London. And even though we talked about the coverage, I always just pull a little out there. I just like that. Just makes it look natural. Just pull a little out if you want to wear this off your face and take advantage of that beautiful lace front. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Be sure to check the drop-down box for links for ordering for this. I really appreciate you joining me. Tell me how you're liking these brunettes. What color brunettes would you still like to see? Let me know. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.